guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Okay, so in today's video, I am going to share my Cuffs and Lashes haul. Now, these are the products. Now, I have not got a lot of products. There are some, but I wanted to show you some specific products that I really want to talk about. And also, I will be reviewing some, not all of them, because eventually I have 4 of them. I just have 4 products. But मैं सिर्फ एक ही प्रोडक्ट का प्रॉपर रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ. You will see what that is I'm talking about. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and definitely hit the bell icon that whenever I post my videos, you will have the notification on your screen. Thank you so much for that Momo challenge video. It has been doing so good and I appreciate a lot about like that you guys love that video. I will be also doing more challenges. I'll try to make challenges video every Saturday, some kind of challenge video. I have to actually script a lot of things and make it for you guys. But other than that, I always keep doing a lot of polls on my Instagram to ask which challenge and what you want. So make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. That will be linked in the description. My also makeup page will be linked, so you can check out my makeup work and stuff over there. That's a whole different thing. Okay, let's get started. So overall, I have 4 products. As I said, I will just start with their own original brand of Cuffs and Lashes. Okay, let's talk about the brand itself. Cuffs and Lashes is owned by Nidhi Katia. She's a fellow YouTuber as well. Now she has a very good content on her YouTube. I always keep watching. If you wanna really splurge on affordable makeup and stuff and wanna get makeups in a very affordable price but good quality, definitely check her website. Okay, so the first product that I got is by Blue Heaven. So it's a concealer. Now I just came to know about this product from Nykaa only, but hamesha Nykaa pe it is out of stock. Blue Heaven concealers, now Swiss Beauty concealer 199 ka was a hit. So many people have talked about the Swiss Beauty concealer and so good. That is, I have myself 4 of the shades, but I wanted to try even the Blue Heaven one. Now as a makeup artist, I have to have a lot of range of products from affordable, cheap and also high end, because clients differ and they need specific type of makeup. So I have to keep a lot of varieties. So I wanted to try this concealer from a long time and it had on their website. So this is their Blue Heaven 12 hour concealer, which is full coverage and it's super blendable, and this is in the shade vanilla. So it comes with a cover also. This is the cover. Now if you see that, by the way, this retails for 150. I got it for something 125. I don't remember the exact sale price. I will put it in the description. So talking about this concealer, I've used it. I have not liked it. As it says full coverage, it's not full coverage. Now this is not going to be a haul review video, but मैं थोड़ा बोलती हूँ कि जितना I know, I'm going to talk about it. But I will, if you want me to specifically review this concealer, let me know. Other than that, just for start range, this is not that great to spend even 150, not to spend. Rather, up or 50 rupees डाल के you take the Swiss Beauty concealer. That's great. Then this I feel. Okay. Second product, now they also have their own inbuilt brands, as I said. So उनका खुद का भी एक brand 20 something 20 something, sorry 20 or something. They have some products, very good eyeshadow palettes they have and stuff. I have not tried any of those eyeshadow palettes. So I got 2 stuff from their those side. I got a makeup fixer and I got a micellar water. So these are the 2 products. So there was a sale that if you buy both of the products, you will get it for 199. That is 200. So each cost 200 rupees. So I got obviously by the sale only, because each product costs 199. एक product 200 रुपए का है. But if you buy both of them, you will get it for 200. So that was the sale. So I got the micellar cleaning water and I got the makeup fixer. Now I just wanted to say that the fact that the micellar water that I have owned also Garnier ka, this is 125 ml and this retails for 125. Okay, and this one is 5 ml and this retails for 199. So it's a very huge price difference, and the fact that 125 ml मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया compared to 5 ml. Now micellar waters का काम is to remove your makeup, to remove all the dust and grime on your face. It is also good for to clean your brushes, just blur your brushes overall. So I don't know how much इतना difference क्यों है price का. You can just get this one and you're sorted, because इसमें quantity भी ज़्यादा है, the price is also less. इसका price is more and the quantity is less. So I don't know how it is. I don't know specifically what kind of ingredients, etc. Micellar water base तो same ही होता है. But still I got it as the combo, so I'm not gonna complain that much. But overall मुझे यही थोड़ा ये लगा, specifically आप अलग से ये मत लेना micellar water, because only 5 ml का bottle you get it for 199, so it is not worth it for sure. I have not used, as you can see पूरा seal में ही अभी तक है, but I'm just telling you that Garnier is a very well known brand and उसका आपको 125 ml 135 में मिलता है, so that is very affordable. Then I also got the makeup fixer. I have not used this yet. Again, it's in the bottle. Makeup fixer ठीक है, 199 200 तक भी आपको मिलेगा. It's great because makeup fixer has to do some kind of job and ingredients differ a lot in different brands. But yeah, I have not used this, so proper review मुझे नहीं पता इसका कैसे. And the last product, that is one of the actual reason I just ordered the whole stuff here, is the Cuffs and Lashes Stardust palette. This is 32 pan pressed glitter. Now I have to, now India brand don't have any pressed glitter ka palette where you will get all the kind of pressed glitters in your one pan. Glitter, you have to use either liquid glitters, you have to use those loose glitters, and all like that pressed glitters. So proper you have to हमको individually we have to purchase. But I needed a palette, and after a very long time Nidhi did this, and that's amazing. This was much needed in India market. So this retails for rupees 1799, that is 1800 रुपए का है पूरा pack. No, this whole pack, this the eyeshadow palette, and it is a glitter palette. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette. As you can see, if you see, zoom in, there are all kind of shade that you will need for a maximum kind of looks. And for a makeup artist, this is a savior. This is actually a savior. You have pinks, you have mauves, white, blues, green, purples, a lot of good shades of golden. I have swatched a lot of this. मैं इसका ही specifically review बनाने वाली हूँ, but some of the shades are amazing, like breathtaking, and some of them are black. I don't feel that वो lid पे भी लग जाएंगे. But overall, I think 1800 रुपए इसके लिए expensive है, as it is like some of the shades are not that great, but I got it for 1500 something. मुझे डिस्काउंट में ही मिला, तो I'm not gonna complain. But I've swatched a lot of this shade, and जितने भी मैंने shades swatch किए, maximum are very good. 2-3 shades के बारे में मैं थोड़ा ब्लैक हूँ. As I said, I'm gonna make a specifically dedicated review, तो आपको समझ में आएगा what I'm talking about and the whole stuff behind it. So you have to wait for my review. Okay, it will coming up week में for sure. I have to test this a lot, and मैं इसके साथ बहुत looks करने वाली हूँ, so that I can show you how it looks physically on person, so that you will have a clear glance. Because to purchase 1800 रुपए का product is not that cheap, you have to know. And now I watched some reviews and I got some kind of idea, and I was like, okay, even if I purchase it, I can use maximum of the shades. But for yourself, if you're purchasing, then I don't think you're gonna use that much. So if you're in a professional field like makeup, and if you're a makeup enthusiast, you like to purchase and collect makeup stuff, then it is fine. Other than that, 1800 रुपए का product लेके there is no use. So make sure that you really research a lot. But my review will come soon, so you can wait for that review. Okay, so overall these 4 products I have purchased. The main hero of the review was the haul was the eyeshadow palette that I just showed you. Anyways, I have seen a lot of good products on the website Cuffs and Lashes, which I will in coming up days I will also purchase more good stuff. Lot of Nykaa haul, and I purchased a lot of makeup. So now abhi mera jo makeup shelf is like full of a lot of makeup. So I just want to keep using them, and थोड़े महीने के बाद I will purchase from Cuffs and Lashes also. Now Cuffs and Lashes has a lot of affordable prices products, so I can recommend to you a lot. But still, I will definitely recommend me some products that are absolutely amazing that you have purchased from Cuffs and Lashes. Give me some suggestions. I've heard of very good things about their brushes, which I'm definitely going to purchase. अभी तो मैंने PSC में invest कर दिया. I have a big set of PSC, so later on I will definitely also purchase Cuffs and Lashes के brushes. The face brush, I really want to try the face brush. Let me know if you have any suggestions about Cuffs and Lashes and anything what you feel about, and that will be helpful for me and my viewers if they're watching. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this haul, and definitely subscribe. I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, so definitely post मतलब करती हूँ मैं. Definitely subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.